Hiya and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a long time since I have posted a video. I think probably May was the last time I posted. So I thought I would come on here and just show you and tell you what I've been up to. So since I've last seen you, I've had a lot going on. I've actually opened up in a little shop, or my stuff's gone into a shop, and I actually did start recording. I did try and vlog that, but then the whole setup of it was just chaotic, so I ended up not being able to finish recording. But if I do have any footage of that, then I will insert that here. Friday the 21st of May, and we are doing something different today. So today's a vlog style video, and it's because we are opening up a sort of shop. So I have made an agreement to display all my resin items, my Jesmonite, all my jewellery that I make in a shop. So I've been busy the last 3 or 4 days, pricing everything up, ready for the shop. So we're on our way now to just go and pick up my mum, because she's going to come and help us put everything out for display. So basically what that was is it's like a little marketplace. It's like in an old watermill, and it's all like little craft stalls, and it's all managed in one shop. So I just put my bits in there and they sell, and every month since the end of May it's been doing really well, and it's been doing better and better each month. So I've been concentrating a lot on doing that and making things for the shop. So that's why I just haven't been able to put my efforts into YouTube, but I've realised that I've been neglecting YouTube. So I'm back, and I wanted to show you what I've been doing, what new things I've been doing, and maybe you'll be interested to learn and see my new crafting skills. So let me show you some things I don't have in here. But I can show you sort of bits, and then maybe insert some pictures of some products that I've made. So let's go and have a look. So this is like my crafting corner in my back room, and this is like all my new stuff, and it's become a pile because I'm waiting for some organisers to come to organise that. But firstly, this might give you a hint as to what I've been doing. Let me move those for a sec. So basically I've been doing decoupage. So I'll show you in here. So these are like the coasters. So I get these coasters, and then I've been doing decoupage using serviettes. So I've already done some, and they're in my shop, but these are some new serviettes that I've got. I've got some Christmas ones, and I'm going to be doing look at these, my sister gave me these, and I want to be doing some Christmas ones. So if you want me to record how I decoupage coasters and how to make decoupage coasters, then put a comment down below, and then they're the back-ends to go on those. And then I've got all my bits up here, not that, but to do that. So I don't have any here that I've made because they're now in the shop, but I can insert some pictures of any that I've made. And the next thing is, I don't know if you've heard of this before, Kumihimo. So I've been doing Kumihimo and been getting into beading and things like that. So hence I've got some bead mats. Look at all these cords. Been getting kits, and I've just got bags and bags of different types of cord. I made a beaded spider and beads and more beads and more cords. So I'm waiting for an organiser to come. And then this is the flat Kumihimo. So I'll show you some of the bracelets for those. So if you want to see a video on how to do Kumihimo, I'd never heard of it until I came across a video on YouTube, and I was just like, wow, I need to try that. And actually, do you know what, it's not that bad. So these are just some bracelets that I managed to finish off yesterday. So this, let's have a look. This is like spiral and rotating the colours. This is the, I think this might be the 12 warp one. There you go. That's a 12 warp, but it's a different kind of thread, so it's a thinner thread, that's why it's thinner. And these are magnetic clasps. So I've got different types. This was a flower one, a flower pattern in there. Then let me show you some flat Kumihimo. So that's a flat Kumihimo, and I've done it in the chevron pattern. And then this is a checkerboard pattern, flat Kumihimo. So you can do so many patterns. I did like these Halloween-y sort of colours. And then look at these. This is my latest. So now I'm starting to do beaded Kumihimo. So that's a beaded bracelet that I've done. And then I'm starting to do this necklace. So this is all beaded Kumihimo, and this is just one part of a necklace. I've got the other part in the kitchen, then they're going to weave together. We started doing pebbles, so I just did a couple, and then my boyfriend, he got into doing them, and then some sold in the shop. So he's been making pebbles for the shop. So this is his production. He's halfway through. That's going to be a killer whale apparently. He's been making some little Nemos. This is the other bit of my beaded Kumihimo necklace. This one, it probably took about a day just to thread all the beads onto all my thread, all my cords, and then it took me about a day to finish weaving it. So this is going to be knotted in with the other piece, so I need to finish the ends by putting the caps on, and the other one needs tassels, and then it will be like knotted together to make a necklace. Oh, I just realised something else I haven't shown you. See, I've got just so much going on, and then you wonder why I haven't been doing YouTube videos. Is I also started trying to do loom bracelets. So this is a loom bead bracelet. So I'm about halfway through doing it, but this does take a lot of work as well. And it's my first time doing it, so some of my thread work isn't the best. So this won't go into a shop, this was just a practice one. But I just wanted to give it a go. But this is the first tricky bit, is getting these beads on. So yeah, I've been getting into beading quite a bit, and I tried to do macrame as well. So talking of macrame, a lot of my beads that I got came from a company now that I found on YouTube. I just came across a couple of tutorials and I got hooked, and then they had a website where you could buy beads and you could buy like kits, and you get all the stuff, and they've actually got a subscription box. So I have subscribed to their subscription, and I've got my first one, which was the September box. So I'm going to show you that now. So that's the company, it's Riverside Beads, and we'll go into the box. So this month's theme is macrame, and I actually tried to do macrame and I wasn't the best at it. I could do it, but it wasn't the neatest, and my thread wasn't the best. So this month's box, it comes all like, I've already opened it, comes all nicely packaged. And then the first thing I saw when I saw this, I was like, yes, you get a mini macrame board. And I was like, brilliant, because when I was trying to do macrame, I was actually sticking it to a table. So now to have an actual proper board to do macrame, brilliant. So if you don't subscribe to the box, you can buy these boxes separately. So I can link it down below at the website for you to go and have a look. So you get that. Well, there's the website there actually if you want it. And then in here you get all the detailed instructions of how to do all the different bracelets. So that one, we've got that one, and you get all the materials in the kits to make these. So there you go. So it comes with all these, all packaged, and the right material and the amount to make those bracelets. And then also in your kit, if you're a member, you get a free gift, which is normally a bag of some sort of beads, and it's normally colour coordinated to the theme of what the box is for that month. So in here you can see these beads, so with that you can just make any other type of bracelet, or I could do it with my beaded Kumihimo. And then you get another little project. So this month is beaded pumpkin earring charms. So you get a little kit, and that will just be really easy. It will just be something to assemble together to make a set of pumpkin earrings. So I could make these and they could go into my shop, which will be perfect for Halloween. So if you're into beading, into crafting, which I've massively got into crafting lately. I mean, I know I did resin and things like that, but lately I've got into doing jewellery and beading, then this is the kit for you. So did I say about my clay? Have I ever told you that I was doing polymer clay? I tried to do polymer clay. I've made some polymer clay earrings, although I'm not the best at doing polymer clay, hence I haven't ever put out any videos for polymer clay. But I did buy, I saw some videos on YouTube. YouTube's bad, YouTube makes you spend money. But I bought this kit now. So this is from Hobbycraft. So this is the air dry kit. And I haven't even used it yet. But I want to start. I've seen some good videos of things to make with this kit or this clay, so we will get to that one day. So I said I hadn't done resin in a while, apart from a few bits that I've been making for my shop, but I in fact was doing some resin this morning. I just wanted to make a couple of unicorns, and I've actually videoed it as well to put on YouTube, just like a little quick tutorial. And I wanted to use this. I wanted to, you know, obviously do holographic for a unicorn, and try and show you. But as you can see, like on the other side of this bit, it's white, so it doesn't obviously stick inside the mould. So I managed to do some bits, but it just wouldn't stay inside the mould. So I've ended up doing so you can see the unicorn. I've ended up doing pink, and you can see bits of the paper there. It's pink with bits of holographic, and then there's that one. But I thought still pink, and I have put like a hollow powder shimmer, brushed it around the outside of the mould, so hopefully that should show as well once it comes out. So if you stay tuned for my video, then you'll see the demould of this. But I think this is going to be quite a pretty mould, and this will look good inside my shop. I think the little girls will love that. I've also got jars as well because I've been decoupaging jars, so that's something else I can show you if you want. So sorry if this video has been a bit all over the place, you know, just scattering around showing you everything, but I just wanted to show you everything that I've been up to since I last put anything out on YouTube. I have actually got, I think, another couple of videos actually recorded, but I just haven't got around to editing. I think there might be another Jesmonite video and maybe another resin video that I've got recorded, but I just haven't edited. So I will try and get around to doing that. I might put this one out first though, so that everyone can see why I haven't been on YouTube for a while. But if there's anything you've seen that I've shown you, like all my new crafting, that you want to see me record, whether it be the decoupage, coasters, jars, because I'm going to be doing, that's probably my next project once I finish my necklace that I'm doing, is I have to get some Christmas decoupage coasters ready. I want to start doing them now. I also have to start doing some Christmas wax melts. I need to order some fragrance oil and I need to start doing that. If you want to see how to do Kumihimo, I can start showing you like the basic Kumihimo, so to get you started on that. If you want to see more resin, more Jesmonite, how to do beading. I am getting into a bit of wire work, although I'm not the best at wire work. I've got some projects coming. I've got like a couple of charm kits coming to do some wire work with beads. Because I did make a, you see the kit that I had for the spider, so they're in my shop already, although I have got some more to do, some more spiders if I need to. So whatever it is you need to see, just comment down below, let me know. I hope you've enjoyed just seeing these bits. As a crafter, I just love seeing what people have. It just gives me ideas to go and buy more stuff and to do more crafting. So come back soon. Promise I won't stay away for too long this time. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye.